Cracking commas. Unraveling the mystery of subordinating conjunctions. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of English grammar, specifically related to punctuation within sentences. That's right, we're talking about commas with subordinating conjunctions. This might seem tricky, but don't worry. We'll untangle this topic step by step. To start with, we need to understand what subordinating conjunctions are. These are words that join an independent clause, a clause that can stand alone as a sentence, with a dependent clause, a clause that can't stand alone. Examples include words like although, because, since, unless, and many more. So, how do commas fit into the picture? It's all about sentence structure. When a subordinating conjunction begins a sentence, it's followed by a comma. For example, because it was raining, we decided to stay at home. But if the dependent clause comes at the end of the sentence, we generally don't use a comma. For example, we decided to stay at home because it was raining. However, like many grammar rules, there are exceptions. If the dependent clause at the end of the sentence is non-essential and could be removed without changing the overall meaning, then it is set off with a comma. For example, we went to the park, although it was a bit cold. Even without the clause, although it was a bit cold, the sentence still makes sense. That's it for today's lesson on commas with subordinating conjunctions. We hope you now have a clear understanding of how to use commas with these conjunctions and how they can influence the meaning of your sentences. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.